Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change your address through the Coinbase app. So you can change your residential address or your legal address. The residential address is going to be a bit more straightforward, but I'm also going to show you how to change your legal address. So what we want to do is launch the Coinbase app. Once we're on the homepage, what you want to do is click on the little menu option here in the upper left-hand corner. And in our menu, what we want to do is click on at the top where it says Account and Settings. And then from here, we want to open up our personal info. And from your general information page, if you scroll down towards the bottom, you'll find your legal address and your residential address. The easy one to change is your residential address, so I'll quickly go over that one first, and then we'll touch on the legal address after that. So for the residential address, you click Edit, go through and fill out the boxes to make the changes that you need for your residential address, and then click Save at the bottom. Now heading back over to the homepage, so to change your legal address, we need to contact Coinbase support to go through this process. So what we want to do to contact their support is, again, from the homepage of Coinbase, we want to click on the menu option here in the upper left-hand corner. And from our menu, we can see there's this little question mark in a circle in the upper right-hand corner. That's where we can start the process of contacting their support. So we're going to click on this question mark. And in the Help tab, we want to scroll down until we find where it says Support Cases and open that up. And towards the bottom, find where it says Start a Chat, and we're going to click on that. And on our help page here towards the bottom, we want to describe our issue. So I'm going to type out the issue here. So I'm going to type in that I moved and I need a new legal address for my Coinbase account. So I'm going to submit this. And interestingly, it says to change my legal address. It's walking me through the steps on how to change my residential address, but we know that these are two different things, and I showed you already how to change the residential address. So I'm going to continue with this AI chat to see if we can get to the appropriate response. So if the responses that you're getting aren't helpful, you can do the thumbs down, and eventually it should say that I want to make sure that you get the support you need. Would you like me to transfer you to an agent for further assistance? And I would like that, so I'm going to click yes. Going through the chat help, they want me to head on over to coinbase.com/verify-address. And then through this link, I need to submit either a bank statement, credit card statement, water, electricity, internet, or phone bill. And this document must have been issued within the last 90 days. It needs to show my full name and my new address, and it must match those that are on my ID and Coinbase account. So heading over to the Coinbase Verify Address link, and I'll post this link down in the description if you'd like to check it out through there. So I need to upload my proof of address, and I downloaded my utility bill, so my electricity bill, I downloaded it on my phone. I just logged into my utility account, found my most recent bill, and then I downloaded that. So I need to upload that file here. So I'm going to click on where it says Browse Files, and then I'm going to open the files on my phone. So I selected and uploaded that document. It clearly shows my legal name, my new legal address, so everything looks good there. So I'm going to click on where it says yes, looks good. And it's going to verify the document, and it's verifying my address. After uploading my address verification document, I want to head back over to the chat again to open up my support ticket and continue where I left off. So again, opening up our menu and clicking the question mark in the upper right-hand corner. And in the help area, if you scroll down, you'll find where it says support cases, and you can open up your support case. And I can click on my support case here to open up the chat and let them know that I uploaded my document that had my name and my new legal address on it so that they can go through that verification process and then enter it in manually to update the legal address on my account. After uploading my document, I came back to my live chat support and let them know that I uploaded my electric bill from this past month, and now they want me to manually enter in my legal address here so that they can verify it and enter it manually for me. So now if I head back over to my account and settings and I open up my personal info, in your general info, scroll down, you can take a look at your legal address to see if it has successfully changed. And if it still hasn't changed over, again, you can head back over to chat and try to get them again to manually change that and try to successfully get it switched over to your new legal address. But these are the steps that you need to take to try to change that legal address. It's going to be a bit easier if the ID that you have, such as your driver's license, has that new legal address on the front of it. That's the main issue that I'm running into here, where my old address is on the front of my driver's license, where my new address is on the back of it on a sticker. So it's a little bit more of an involved process, and I needed the chat help for them to look over my information, check my uploaded utility bill so that they could verify my new legal address. But I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the steps on how you can go about trying to change that legal address. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.